to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. And today I am feeling real better than you today. I'm feeling real better than you. And this right here is why I got me an owl pan. And I had been, this is like one of my cooking obsessions. And I finally got one. My aunt bought me this in celebratory for me doing my segment in Greenville, South Carolina. And I'm just super grateful because all of the great home chefs has this pan, and it's supposed to be, you just need one pan to get it done. So today I'm pulling it out because, new year or new day, new month, whatever you're deciding. And I feel like since this is the first time that I'm ever making chickpea hamburgers, why not pull out the big dogs? So I've already rinsed my chickpeas and I have them boiling right now because I got the chickpeas straight out of the bag. It was a dry bag, so I have to cook them and things of that nature. But I got sweet potatoes because I'm going to make sweet potato fries. These are the mushrooms that I'm going to be using. These are portobellos, and these were $4.49. I got red pepper, green pepper, red onion, tomato, avocado, and I also have spinach in my refrigerator, and that's what I'm going to use instead of lettuce. So let's see if I am capable of turning this burger out. I was really excited to make this burger because I had been seeing it all over the place, and I'm really in the space of making more of my own food. I'm not really, tolerating like the faux meats if I don't have to because, the more I think about it, I just want to eat as clean as possible and also know what I'm putting into my body. But this was so easy and so flavorful. I I just shocked myself. I always shock myself whenever I make up a dish or something like that or be inspired by someone else's dishes. But I didn't use canned chickpeas. I used fresh chickpeas that I had soaked overnight. I used a little gochujang. This is a hack. I blended it in my blender because I wasn't going to sit up there and mash all of those chickpeas because my hand probably would have broke off. But at the end of the day, it came out fantastic. I made a couple of them so I have something to munch on and I don't have to, dirty up the dishes. I could just refry them and things of that nature. But I was really, really, truly impressed with how all of this came out. And it was very, very budget friendly. So that's a high five. But when I say the sweet relish, avocado, tomato, and spinach on top of this burger, and do y'all see my burnt sweet potato fries? But I don't care. I ate them anyway. So this is my chickpea mushroom burger. This is the first time that I've ever made one of these. I put spinach, tomatoes, avocado, sweet relish, and I also made a sauce out of tahini, coconut aminos, mustard, and a little bit of ketchup because I didn't have any mayonnaise and I don't believe in a dry burger. This is going to be the first taste of the burger. It's messy. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. I'm super proud. It's dripping, but I'm super proud of it. And let's see how if it is bussin'. Hold on.